Hi, Akshay.
Hello, ma'am.
Sorry, I just got caught up somewhere. How are you?
Good, ma'am.
Nice. Okay, can you do one thing?
Hmm.
You have that the question one. I'm teaching you.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you I'll make you the host. Just share that, no?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Which chapter, ma'am, are we doing?
Body fluids, no?
Oh, yeah, correct. I just remember it as circulation. So,
Very nice.
no, ma'am, not like that. I remember the name of chapter clearly
Mm.
because I'm a pro.
Yeah, you are.
Ma'am, NEET exam 2 attempts, you saw. Ma'am,
They
two
announced
attempts.
it officially.
No, that guy told 2 attempts will be there. He'll let us know about the dates.
Oh, lovely.
Good, no, ma'am.
Yeah, good only.
Good for us. It's like not good, ma'am. It's too good because 2 attempts meaning it's very peaceful. It'll be.
ஆமா. The what problem is no, when you get more attempts through, you'll be like, சரி இதுல இல்லைன்னா அடுத்ததுல பாத்துக்கலாம்.
That's what. Ma'am, no, I want to get it. Do it good in first attempt only. I don't want to go second attempt at all.
Yeah, so try that.
Like, my first attempt should be the best. Like that, I should keep. Like first attempt only, I should get like some. If my target is like 600 in first attempt, only I should get like 590. In second attempt, little bit improving. That's all.
Don't think like that.
It should not be like in first attempt I should get 400, second attempt 500.
No, don't think like that. Just think that okay, there's only one attempt and I'm going to crack it.
Yeah, man, that's our first attempt only. I'll crack it off.
Good.
Second attempt just for namesake. Ma'am, we'll start.
Yeah, share.
I shared, no, ma'am. Can you see?
1 second. It's showing. Now I can see.
Ma'am, ready?
Oh, 1 second. Yeah. Let's start.
Adult human RBCs are N-nucleate. No, what is N-nucleate?
Enucleate. Enucleate means there's no nucleus.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Which of the following statements are most appropriate? This thing, ma'am, no space.
Once again.
They metabolize, no, ma'am. So they metabolize. They do need to reproduce, no, ma'am. They keep dividing.
Do they?
Ma'am, yes, no, ma'am.
Do RBCs divide?
I mean, no, but that is not an explanation for why they don't have nucleus, no. Oh, that is also there. So, ma'am, it will be 1, 4, and 3.
Okay, 1 second. What's the page number?
Page number is 227. I think, wait, 224.
No, probably. Okay. Yeah. Got it. And when you're sharing, I'm not able to see the screen.
Why, ma'am?
Like
Oh,
I have to zoom in the screen.
I'll stop sharing.
No. You share it. So we are able to. So what was the question. Yeah, now I can see clearly. Adult human RE, which of the following statements are most appropriate? Appropriate means correct.
Yeah, so they do not need to reproduce.
See, like why the question is why they don't have a nucleus? No,
Yeah, ma'am. First, no space is there.
the whole thing is only that space only.
Oh,
This reproduce, metabolize, and all is not a reason.
okay.
The reason is because they need more space for oxygen transport. So the option should be only D. Then
Oh, this hepatoportal vein.
I told you also this question was asked. Rana.
Oh, ma'am, this from this thing, no, intestine.
Very good. Next.
Correct, no, ma'am?
Correct. Yes, next.
Name the blood cell whose reduction in number can cause clotting, leading to this thing. This is what is that? Thrombocytes.
Very good. Next.
Then serum differs from blood in lacking clotting factors.
Good.
Serum is like lymph, no, ma'am?
Serum is plasma without clotting
It
factor.
doesn't have a clotting factor. No, it has albumin, antibody and all.
Okay.
Ma'am, next. Blood pressure in the pulmonary artery is more than that in pulmonary vein, less than that in vena, same as that in... ma'am, it will be more than vein, no, ma'am?
How?
Ma'am, because vein will take, artery will get. Oh, arteries have thicker walls, no, ma'am, for that only. For
Arteries
more
have
blood pressure.
arteries have a thicker wall, and vein, as usual.
But
As
obviously,
much,
the answer will be more than this thing, no, ma'am.
correct.
Because they have
Yes.
thicker walls as compared to veins because of higher blood pressure.
Yes. So a pulmonary artery, even though it carries deoxygenated blood, its pressure is more than that of your pulmonary vein.
Yeah, pulmonary vein carries oxygenated, no?
Yeah. Next.
In mammals, which blood vessel would carry normally large amount of urea? Hepatic portal vein.
No.
Hepatic only, no, ma'am. Urea, they're telling, so it's hepatic only. Hepatic portal vein.
Why portal?
Or just hepatic vein.
Just hepatic vein. No. See, hepatic portal vein means from the intestine to this one. From the intestine, where is urea? Urea goes from the...
The hepatic vein is just from this thing, liver.
So it's only hepatic vein, no.
Okay.
And the cycle which produces urea inside the liver is called as Cori cycle.
Cori cycle.
Okay.
Which of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathways? Fishes. The only fish, there is shark and whale. Ma'am, shark is not a mammal, no?
No.
So the answer is whale, no? Because it's a mammal. Because mammals have two separate circulatory pathways.
Correct.
Oh,
Next.
look at that pro. Doctors used stethoscope to hear the sounds produced during each. The second sound is heard when valve closing. Close. Last one.
Correct. Good.
Because lub is when it opens, dub is when it closes.
Eh?
Correct, no, ma'am?
I told you.
Oh, both are when it closes only. Correct.
Yes. Next.
Next. Ninth one. Erythropoiesis. What is that, ma'am?
You only tell what is erythro.
Erythro is this thing, erythrocytes, blood cells.
Exactly. Poiesis means formation.
Oh. The formation takes place only in thymus and bone marrow. Thymus is not there, so bone marrow.
Thymusல formation நடக்கவே நடக்காது எப்பவுமே.
Oh, sorry, that is T lymphocyte formation in thymus.
No. All like see, anything or any blood cell formation will happen only in the bone marrow. Whether
Ma'am, no,
RBC
ma'am, they
or
differentiate in thymus, no, ma'am.
it will differentiate. There's a difference between differentiate and formation. How can you say that T lymphocyte is
B lymphocytes differentiate in bone marrow, T lymphocytes differentiate in thymus.
correct? So you should be specific when you're saying the word.
Okay, ma'am.
So answer is red bone.
Red bone marrow.
Next one.
ma'am. Which of the following is correct? Lymph is equal to plasma plus WBC. Blood is equal to plasma, RBC, WBC. Ma'am, second one.
Correct.
Blood pressure in mammalia aorta is maximum during systole of left ventricle, diastole, left ventricle. It's systole only, but left ventricle or left atrium? Ma'am, left atrium.
Correct. Systole of left atrium.
Correct, no, ma'am?
Yeah, correct.
So why is it cancelled, no, ma'am? Something is wrong.
அந்த வருஷம் நடந்திருக்காது போல இந்த பேப்பர். Are you sure it's systole of right atrium?
Left atrium, ma'am.
See, whenever we calculate the pressure, we say systole is correct, but the atrium is wrong.
Why, ma'am? Hello?
See, the pressure that we measure, okay, is like the blood pressure is something that is flowing across the body's artery. No, the body's artery is aorta. Where does the blood flow from body's artery? Ventricle, no. So it should be systole of the left ventricle, not left atrium.
Oh, ventricle.
Once you can measure the blood pressure only after the blood flows into the artery, not while the blood is flowing within the heart. So how can you say that atrium's systole? Should not be atrium systole. Once the
ventricular systole.
Yes, yeah.
Or atrium diastole.
Correct. But here diastole of left atrium is not given.
Oh, yeah, correct.
So the answer is 11A.
Person with blood group A is considered as universal recipient.
Here clearly, mammalian aorta. Aorta is what?
Where it goes out of the heart.
Correct. So from where does it go? The ventricles. Next one.
Person with blood group A is considered as universal recipient.
AB.
AB. Because both A and antigens. Oh, ma'am, first option only is correct.
They don't have any antibodies. Correct. Next one.
Next, how do parasympathetic neural signal affect working of heart? They reduce cardiac.
What is the difference in this 12th question between option A and option D?
Ma'am, antigens are present on RBC, no, ma'am, not on plasma.
Good.
What, ma'am? Such easy question.
Check.
I've become too smart, ma'am.
Adnalda bio.
Oh. How do parasympathetic neural signal affect working of heart? They decrease cardiac output.
They don't decrease cardiac output. Cardiac output is going to be constant.
Oh, then option with one. With
I even told
output.
you this.
Ma'am, that means option B, heart rate is increased without affecting cardiac output. Ma'am, because that is the only one with cardiac output constant. Ma'am, how will heart rate increase, ma'am? Heart rate will decrease, no, ma'am.
If I say, you will blindly tell me.
Ma'am, it's correct, ma'am. First option only I was correct. Heart rate and cardiac output decreases, ma'am.
No,
Chumma, you confuse me.
Yeah, exactly. So you should have
Ma'am,
argued.
in NEET exam, there won't be anyone to confuse me, no, ma'am. So whatever I feel is the right answer, I write. Here you're confusing me to the next level.
Yes, that time at least your mind will think straight. Adanalada.
Hmm.
So both heart rate and cardiac output. See, actually, the thing is, have they given? Yeah, they have given parasympathetic, so it is reducing. If it was sympathetic, means it is increasing.
Increasing. That's what, ma'am. Correctly, I told.
Okay,
14th, ma'am.
14th one.
Ma'am, in that diagram, they are asking
The
schematic
labels.
it will identify the label. Identify the correct label or what, ma'am?
Yes, of course. It's obvious.
I only don't know this.
This you know. So this is a question which is combining your breathing and exchange of gases and this. We learned about the partial pressures in each area.
B
in
is
that.
pulmonary vein, no, ma'am. B
Yeah.
is pulmonary vein, A is pulmonary artery. Wrong. That option C and
No.
D are
B
wrong.
is not pulmonary vein. It's going to the different parts of the body.
Ma'am, it's going back. Oh yeah. So B is not pulmonary vein. It is vena cava.
A. B is not vena cava. It's aorta. It's
B is
going.
aorta. D is vena cava.
D is vena cava. Wow, it's going to the lungs, ra.
Oh, lungs. Pulmonary. This thing. Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary artery. What goes to the lungs?
Pulmonary artery. So, ma'am, B is wrong. Option D is wrong. Option A is wrong. Option B, ma'am, C is the correct. First option.
How is first option? Read the option.
Ma'am, C is vena cava. It is telling.
Option C you're saying is correct. No.
Option A is correct. That says C is vena cava.
Correct.
Because we don't know. A is this thing. Not pulmonary vein. B is not pulmonary artery. D is not dorsal aorta.
Okay, correct. Next.
Oh, this is the easiest question. The diagram given here is easy of normal person. The P wave and the P will tell contraction of both atria.
Good. Next.
Figure AB shows blood circulation in human beings. A to D. Select the option which gives correct this thing. Ma'am, what, ma'am? Ma'am, D is pulmonary vein, no? We just did it.
Yes.
So the remaining ones I don't know, but since we did the other question, I know what
Let's
D is.
cross verify with the remaining ones.
Ma'am?
Just cross verify with the remaining. This is a picture from your textbook.
Yeah, ma'am. That's so confusing. These diagrams are.
It's nothing is confusing. What is that goes away from the heart?
From heart.
To other parts of the body. What is it? What
Aorta.
blood vessel? Aorta. Aorta is an artery.
No.
So here there is a arrow that is pointing on your left hand side. Left atrium, left ventricle, and artery poda. And the artery kitten, they have marked another small vessel. So what that should be? That should be an artery, no? If that is an artery, அதுக்கு parallel இருக்கிறது வந்து vein-ஆ இருக்கும். நடுவுல இருக்கிறது capillary ஓட diagram. Okay, so now you know what are the different parts given in the diagram. Now you can answer no.
Ma'am, even B is correct. No, you told B is capillary.
B.
Option A, it says B is capillary.
One second.
Ma'am, but I know this thing D is pulmonary vein. Option C, because in previous question only we just discussed no.
Pulmonary vein is correct, but is the pressure correct? Yes, 16C is correct only.
Oh, pressure also they have given, huh?
Yeah, read the full option.
Oh, ma'am, it's there in that 14th question, option B, D is 95 mmHg.
16th one is correct only. What you said is correct. Option C is the correct answer.
Oh, pressure also is given, huh? Next question.
Yeah. Just say. 17th one. Yes.
Identify
Mm.
it and give its characteristic. Basophil. Secretes serotonin inflammatory. B lymphocytes. Forces 20% blood cell involved in. Ma'am, wrong. B lymphocyte. Neutrophil is not phagocytic. Ma'am, neutrophil is not phagocytic, no, ma'am. Erythrocyte, no, ma'am.
No. Neutrophil is phagocytic actually.
But it is not most abundant blood cell, no.
No.
Monocyte does not have lifespan of 3 days, no. It has more than that.
Mm.
A or B, ma'am. A or B. Ma'am, B lymphocytes doesn't form 20%, no. Way more than that, no.
No, answer is basophil.
No, I'm talking about B lymphocyte. It just forms about 20% blood cell in immune response. It forms more than 20%. No, not 20%.
Yeah. So it's
So,
option A.
so remaining option is basophil.
Next, 18th one.
Skills, ma'am. That is skills, next level skills.
Yeah. Skills only.
Certain road accident patient with unknown blood group needs immediate transfusion. So is one friend at which blood group of donor? Oh, because it is a universal donor.
Okay, next one.
Which of the following human are graveyard of RBC is what is that? What is that? Ma'am, I will ask you this question, ma'am. You tell if you will get the answer right.
Why should I say the answer?
Because I know it is spleen.
That's the answer. Next one.
Bundle of his is a part, is which one of the following organs in heart, obviously.
Yeah, simple question. Next one.
Ma'am, it's not simple, ma'am. It's too simple.
Dang.
22nd, no, ma'am. We are in
21st.
Oh, 28. I meant to next page by mistake. Which of the following plasma protein is involved in coagulation of blood? Fibrinogen.
Correct. Next one.
Wait, ma'am. Arteries are best defined as the vessels which supply oxygenated blood to different organs, carry blood away from heart to different organs. Ma'am, carry blood away from heart. Wait, oxygenated. Wait, now I'm only so confused. Ma'am, blood away from heart to different organs.
That's correct.
But option A, ma'am.
Option A is not correct because always does artery carry oxygenated blood?
No,
There is
not all
pulmonary
the time.
artery also, no.
Yeah.
So you can't give it as a common definition.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one.
Which of the following statement is correct regarding blood pressure? 130/90 Hg is considered high, requires treatment. 105 ideal blood. 10, ma'am, I only don't know, ma'am. Last one is correct, I think.
Yeah. That's high
D.
blood pressure.
D.
Okay, next one.
It may harm vital organs like kidney and all that. 24th. Person with unknown blood group ABO suffered much loss in his accident. Under ABO system, his friend valid certificate of his own. What would be the type of the donor friend? Obviously, O blood group.
Next one.
Because O is universal donor. ECG or normal even, which one components is proper? Complex QRX is one complete pulse, correct. PT, T is initiation of total cardiac contraction. Peak, P and peak are systole, diastolic. Wait, ma'am, this one. See, ma'am, P is contraction of both atria. So everything with the P, T and D are wrong.
Okay.
So option C and D are wrong. Option C and D.
What's the correct answer?
First option or second? First option is correct because QRL you told is only one pulse, one this thing. It is not separate. Second one, I don't know if it's correct. Second one, PT. I forgot what T is meaning only.
I always told that QRS complex is considered as one single.
That is correct. So option A is correct, but I don't know the meaning of option B.
But I never told you that it is considered as complete pulse.
Ma'am,
That is
1
a
unit you told, no, ma'am. 1 unit, so one this thing.
So you consider it as one pulse, huh?
Yeah, ma'am. Obviously.
Wow.
Your golden words, ma'am.
Mama. Okay. Yeah.
So
Total.
option B.
So basically, why option A is correct.
How? Oh, okay. Oh, I was
That's
right.
a question. No. Option B is not correct. How is it correct?
That's what even I'm asking, ma'am.
T is when everything goes to the diastole stage, it is T. So how can I say that the cardiac cycle is starting in T? The cardiac cycle starts with P.
P. It ends. The next one will start at T, end at T.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
If due to some injury, chordate tendinae, that is this thing, no, ma'am, of
what
the
thing?
valve.
What you call that otherwise called as like another alternative name?
Muscles.
No. Nice name they have.
Ma'am, tell starting letter writer.
H.
Bundle of no.
Starting letter is H.
Oh, wait, ma'am. I'll tell. What? Ma'am, give second letter. I'll tell correctly.
It's 2 words.
Ah.
No, we are playing dumb charades. Wow.
2 words.
Uh,
It starts with H.
as first one starts with H, second one starts with S.
H. Bundle of his.
Why are you stuck at bundle of his? Where is S in that draw?
Oh, wait.
And where is the 2 words?
One start. Oh, that violin. Violin. I remember.
Violina.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. String.
Correct. What string? Where is that string present?
In heart.
So what should it be called?
Oh, heartstring.
Oh, good.
Look at that, ma'am, pro.
What is a muscle that is connected to the heartstring called?
Heart muscle.
It starts with P.
Papillary muscle.
Very good. Now read the question.
If due to some injury, chordate tendinae of tricuspid valve of the human heart is partially non-functional, what will be immediate effect? Ma'am, flow of blood into the aorta will be slowed down.
Okay, my question is that.
Is wrong.
Like first of all, I think what is the function of chordate tendinae?
Ma'am, it will control flow of blood, no, ma'am, into artery.
How?
By that thing, ma'am.
To what is chordate tendinae attached?
Papillary muscle.
That is in one side. The other side of the chordate tendinae is attached to?
Artery.
Right. I told
Valve.
you. Valve. Which valve?
Tricuspid.
And bicuspid.
Bicuspid.
Those 2 valves are being opening and closing of the valve is controlled by your.
If chordate tendinae is gone, valve will be closed only.
Yeah, if chordate
So blood will
tendinae
reduce into the blood flow will reduce into the pulmonary artery.
I don't understand. You understand this or not? Okay. Bicuspid, tricuspid valve will control the flow between atrium and ventricle. Yes or no? Where
Yes,
did pulmonary artery come from?
Because that is the only thing it is telling reduce the flow of blood.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, see, it's like, if you have a dabba full of some water and then you're closing it with the lid, which is not properly closed.
Water will keep dripping out.
Water will leak or not. Now, how is the blood flowing? From where to where? Atrium to ventricle, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the function of the valve? It will make sure the blood doesn't go back into the atrium.
So the blood will tend to flow back in left atrium.
So basically, if the muscles are not working properly, the valves will not close properly. If it doesn't close properly, then definitely there will be a leakage of the blood from ventricle to atrium. So the
Yes,
option is correct answer is D.
C.
D.
I told D only, you told wrong.
I never said. Oh yeah. Sorry. C.
C.
Correct. Yeah. Next one.
Um, which of the two following changes,
Mm.
1 to 4, will tend to occur in plain dwellers? Increase in leg breadth size, correct. No, 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 no. Production will increase. Ma'am, 2 and 3 are correct.
Once again, I'm just stuck in the 26th question. My logic is correct. But the thing is, what is the question?
If due to some injury, chordate tendon of tricuspid valve of the human heart is partially
I
non-functional.
missed out on the tricuspid valve part.
So both of us were wrong. Yes.
No, you were right. Because
Ha!
if it is tricuspid valve, then it can't be left atrium. No, that is what I
It will
was
be
saying.
right atrium only.
It will be right atrium. So actually, let me just check.
Then flow of blood into aorta will be reduced. No.
No. Aorta is semilunar valve.
Hmm.
So okay. So what will happen is that now, like, see, when your right ventricle is contracting, okay, and if your tricuspid valve is not closing properly, then the blood will go into right atrium. Yes. So normally when your right ventricle contracts, the blood should go into pulmonary artery. But because your tricuspid valve is not working properly, almost all the blood will go into the atrium from the ventricle instead of the artery. So what you said was right. Pulmonary artery is the correct one.
Oh, my guess.
Yeah, but you understood the logic why that is correct.
Because it is tricuspid valve or not. Or now it's not mentioned specifically tricuspid valve.
Yeah, if they had mentioned regarding as bicuspid, then option C would have been correct.
Left atrium. Because tricuspid is present in right atrium, and right atrium it will go to pulmonary artery.
Right atrium and the pulmonary artery, right?
Right atrium to right ventricle to right atrium, ma'am.
So
then
instead
to
of
pulmonary artery, ma'am.
No. Always blood will flow directly from the pulmonary artery. It will maybe from the ventricle to pulmonary artery. No.
Oh.
Okay. So that is the reason why the thing happens. Always after the blood flows from the right atrium to right ventricle, your tricuspid valve will completely close. And then there is a semilunar valve that is present in the pulmonary artery, which will open. So when your ventricles are contracting, now the only opened place is what? The arteries. So it will flow into the pulmonary artery. Okay. But இப்போ இந்த கேஸ்ல tricuspid கொஞ்சம் ஓப்பனா இருக்கிறதுனால what will happen? Pulmonary artery போற பதிலா it will go back to the atrium.
Oh.
Okay, that is the logic. So pulmonary artery க்கு எவ்வளவு blood போணுமோ அது கம்மி ஆயிடும்.
It will reduce off.
Yes, exactly. So that answer is D. Now we can go to the next question.
Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah. Wait. 1 second. Yes, ma'am. Next question. Faster distribution of some injectable material.
No, 27 we were talking about, no.
Oh yeah, 27, sorry. Ma'am, increase in red blood, breathing rate will increase, correct? Ma'am.
Increase in red blood what? Cell size or production?
Ma'am, see ma'am, breathing rate will increase, ma'am. But thrombocyte count won't increase, ma'am. There are only two options with the third one, ma'am. Since thrombocyte won't increase, the other option is third and second one, increase in red blood cell production, ma'am. So option A is correct, ma'am.
Very good. Next one.
I'm a pro. Fastest distribution of some injectable material medicine with no risk of any kind can be achieved by injecting it into veins. Lymph vessels.
Oh, lymph vessels.
Veins only, I'm just telling. Veins is answer. I'm reading lymph vessels. All options.
Next one.
Injection they put in vein only, no, ma'am.
Yeah, that's because arteries are submerged. Veins
Yes,
are the ones that are seen on the top. That's the reason.
Give any given below 4 statement regarding human. Arteries are thick walled, have narrow lumen compared to vein. Correct.
That's correct.
Angina is acute chest pain when blood circulation to brain is reduced.
Hey, is it first statement correct?
Yes, ma'am. Arteries are thick walled.
Okay, that's correct then.
They have narrow lumen compared to vein.
Okay, correct. They have narrow lumen. They do have narrow lumen. Yes.
Angina is acute chest pain when blood circulation is to the brain is reduced. Wrong. Person with AB blood group is universal receiver. It says universal donor, so it is wrong. Ca plus ion is very important in blood clotting. You have only told me. So option A, 1 and 4.
Very good. Next one.
30th. The hemoglobin content per 100 ml of blood of a healthy human adult is, I don't know.
Then general knowledge.
17 to 20.
It's 12 to 16.
Oh.
Next one.
There is no DNA in RBC, 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 RBC.
Next one.
Next, in standard ECG, which are the following alphabets correct representation? S is start of systole. Wrong. T is end of diastole. Correct.
What are they saying? The correct representation. Yeah. P should be P is actually correct, no? Atrial depolarization only, no?
Yeah, ma'am. P also is correct. T also is correct, no, ma'am.
No, you can't say T is end of diastole. Diastole happens in that stage. You can't
T
say
is
it is
end of
the
cardiac
end.
cycle only. Cardiac output.
Yeah. So answer should be C, no? 32. Correct
Yes,
answer is C only.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Globulins contained in human blood plasma are primarily involved in defense.
Good. Next one.
Compared to blood, our lymph has plasma without it has plasma, it has protein. More WBC it has. No RBC, correct. That's why lymph fluid is not red in color, because no hemoglobin is present, no RBC.
Yeah, so option B is correct.
Ma'am, I'm becoming a pro, no, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So with the same thing, you can practice the remaining questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm not starting the next chapter today. I'll start it tomorrow.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, I'll make you host.
No. Anyway, we are going to end the class today. I just wanted to revise this. So you seem to be good with this chapter. So you can practice the remaining questions. And tomorrow we'll start with excretory. Okay, wow.
Yes, ma'am.
So see you tomorrow at the same time.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.